To add your design, click and drag it into the smart frame. Then right-click on the design, click Layer, and send to back. To add the reflection, don't drag and drop your design, just click on it. Then click Flip, Vertical. Now drag it into the green reflection below, double-click on it, and then move it down. That's it. You can also click on Position and select the shadows at the bottom. Click Transparency and adjust the transparency to increase or decrease the shadows and highlights to your liking. Depending on your design, some people like it darker, some people like it lighter. You can delete the straws that you don't want to use. I've included 3 straw options. And then you can also unlock the reflection layer and adjust its transparency up or down in case you want to make it darker or lighter. I've also included a black marble template that works the same way. And then I've also included a template where you can add your design into the background. And to do that, you follow the same steps at the beginning. So we're going to drag and drop my design into the first smart frame, go Layer, right-click Layer, send to back. Then click on your design to add it again, flip, vertical, drag and drop it into the reflection below, double-click, and drag it all the way down. And then you just drag and drop your design into the background. Here you can double-click it and resize it if you like. Then you can click on Edit Photo and go to Blur, and this will blur that design image so that the focus is on the tumblers. Because the background is not the same size as the wrap, it does stretch out your wrap a little bit. I recommend if you have a seamless design to do a side-by-side image. So I'm going to try this with a different design. I'm going to bring the design there to the top, drag in this cow design, and send it to back. Then I'm going to click on my cow design again, click on Flip, Flip Vertical, drag it into the reflection, and then here, double-click on the reflection, bring it all the way down. Then here you can see I have a side-by-side image, which is a double design image that I'm going to drag into the background. So this way it shows more of my design in the background. I'm going to click on Edit Photo and add a blur to it. You can also go to Adjust and lower the brightness a little bit so that it makes your tumblers pop more. As well, I would go to the vignette and increase it a little bit. But you can play around and see what you like best. To make the side-by-side image, you can just add a new page, click on one of your designs, resize it so that you can duplicate it, right-click, duplicate, then put them beside each other. If you have a seamless design, zoom in and just make sure that there's no visible seam showing. Then hold down Shift and select both designs, right-click, and click Download Selection at the bottom. And that's it. You just saved yourself a side-by-side image that you can now upload back into Canva and use it as your background. Also, you can drag and drop your own background into this template. Double-click on it to then resize it and reposition it so that the table matches up. And then here you can see the reflection isn't very visible, so you can double-click on it, unlock it, click on Transparency, and adjust the transparency so it looks better. And that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please message me on Etsy and I'll be happy to help you on there.